I know that come Monday morning, you are absolutely looking forward to the spiciest homes in Lagos that we furnish you. And now, ladies and gentlemen, this home that I'm about to show you is one that will leave you spectacularly breathless. Welcome to the home tour of this 4-bedroom, absolutely magnificent terrace with a BQ, with a true blue pool, a gym, and many other things that I can't wait to show you. Are you ready? Come along. First of all, let me walk you through the entire courtyard before we go into the house proper. Now, you'll notice that this compound, this courtyard is absolutely spacious. You notice the AstroTurf detailing is impeccable, and it complements gorgeously the natural greenery and plants right here in this particular courtyard. You have a nice backdrop over there as well that carries the name of the estate, and tons of greenery. This courtyard area is perfect for kids to play, and it ushers them straight into the swimming pool. Now, one thing I like about this pool is the fact that it's gated, so you have security for kids. You know, they can't access it, of course, unless the gate is actually open. This is a huge, giant-sized swimming pool. I love the brickwork that actually, you know, highlights the pool on all 4 corners. And right in front of the swimming pool, you have the gym. So you can work out, take a shower, and then dive right in to a beautiful day of swimming. This is perfect for kids, especially now that kids are on holiday. This is the perfect way to engage them, get them to work out and get them to swim right after. And of course, you have that outdoor sitting area. It's lovely, you know, for sitting out in the evening. You could put, of course, it will come furnished with like umbrellas and stuff. I love the external feature of this estate. It just gives this feeling of coziness, warmth, very contemporary, but it's so serene. And that, guys, is what this home affords you as an investor. Don't forget that you should click on the subscription button if you'd like to see more content like this. Follow us and then turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any of the good stuff. Okay, now it's time to take you inside. Come along and let's see what's what in this 4-bedroom terrace that comes with a BQ. So you walk into this house, welcome home, bonjour, bon au revoir. That French is not correct though, please. Don't hold me to that French. Can we just take a moment, guys, to appreciate the lighting detailing in this home? It doesn't feel like anything you find, you know, usually in most homes. It feels truly like artwork, and that's something you notice all around the house. This home also comes with an under staircase storage area, so this could nicely be like a library or a storage solution of sorts. And then over here you have this open plan dividing space, so you have the shelving area that you could actually tuck your wines into, or your plates, or cutlery, all of those stuff. Just, you know, adorn the living room space with this shelving design. That's absolutely beautiful. And over here is the kitchen area. Of course, you have your open space over here. It's like a U-shaped thingy. And then you have the cabinetry space, tons and tons of storage. You have pull-out drawers over here. Let me pull that out real quick. That didn't want me to pull. Let me try this one. Okay, yeah. So you just, you know, pull out the drawers. You have your cooker over here. I especially love this matte finish of tiling on the backsplash. It's a nice complement. The entire colors and textures used in this house gives the home a truly organic and earthy feel. So you have the oven here, you have the cooker, you have the double sink over there. Can we talk about the lighting fixture again? This is absolutely eye-catching. It feels like you're in some museum of sorts, right? Yes, absolutely beautiful. This is the backsplash I talked about again. I absolutely love the color, the feel, and the detailing. Here you have the pantry, so you can store away your dry goods and all of that stuff into the pantry. But it's a nice size for a kitchen. It generously complements the living room and the kitchen space. So you have that continuous, seamless flow in this open plan living room as well as kitchen. And also you have this open space area just in between the guest toilet and the staircase. So like I said, nice storage can happen in that nook. But let's go upstairs now. I especially love the see-through railing bars for the stairway. It gives it a nice accent, as well as this gorgeous finished flooring for the stairway. It's a perfect complement, like I said, that continues to set the tone for a truly organic feel in this home. All right, let's go upstairs. Now, the first thing you notice as you walk into the family lounge is a darker shade of nice polished wood. And I know what this is. This actually gives a certain level of intimacy, but vibrancy to this family area, which is supposed to be a bit more, you know, intimate and private. So guys, this is the family lounge. It's a nice size. Of course, you notice the lighting, the POP walls. There's also a balcony. Let me show you that real quick. There's a balcony right here in your family lounge. So it's a nice cutaway, giving you a perfect outdoor moment from this indoor space. And right in front of the balcony is this gorgeous view of your pool, the facade of the entire estate home. This is the outdoor sitting area we talked about. Underneath is the gym. You know, just, it's a nice place to relax. Imagine if you had like sitting areas over here. You could just chill, drink some coffee in the morning, and just sing at the top of your voice. Your neighbors won't think you're crazy, I assure you. But guys, really and truly, that's it. It's a beautiful spot. It would inspire the best moments for you. Just wanted to show you that. All right, now let's go into the rooms. We have 3 rooms in this first floor. So let me show you. Turn on the lights real quick. Okay. Yes. Voila, you notice the entire wall stretch is windows, all windows. There's no short supply of air and lighting in this room. You have spotlights, you have the POP walls. It's beautiful. You have this glossy, beautiful finish for the closet. I'm kind of slow on speaking because I'm absolutely taken by this beauty. I haven't seen anything like this in a while, guys. The color and the tapestry of, oh God, it's absolutely beautiful. Even the interior is a beautiful matte finish. I love it. I love that closet, guys. I have to take a picture for my personal home. But this is the bathroom, guys. Beautiful. You have a shower cubicle. You have the very best of, oh, you just see, you just glide this like so, and that's your bathroom. And you glide that right back. And then you have this lovely vanity, contemporary, the most beautiful, guys. So yeah, we're done with this room. Now let me show you other rooms on this first floor. Right over here to the right is the second room, guys. Welcome in. Oh, this is a large room, guys. It's large, it's huge. You still notice the dark flooring. That's beautiful. You have this lovely windows. I like the netting detail for the windows as well. That's absolutely, you know, interesting. Okay. Okay, all right. And then of course you have the same shelving closet solution as in the other room. And then you have the bathroom over here. You have this rack for your towels and stuff. You have this wash hand. And of course you have the sliding door for your shower cubicle. Beautiful. Okay. All right, this is the second room, guys. Love it, love it. Like I told you before, the entire home is welcoming and inviting. There's nothing sharp to the eyes because the home just has this truly organic feel. The beautiful wood, the colors, the choice of fabrics, everything complements so seamlessly. Third room, guys, welcome in. Of course, you notice even a more bigger closet now. So you have double closets that are closed in, and you have this open one for bags and stuff. And of course, you have the pull-out ones as well. This is a 360 solution for your personal goods. And then over here, you have the bathroom as well. You have the shower cubicle, the WC, and the wash hand sink. 3 rooms in total on this first floor, and you ain't even seen the best part yet. All right, guys, now I'm going to walk you through the second floor. You notice that this staircase has a floating feel to it, you know? So yes, they did try to infuse a bit of the floating detail to this staircase. So come on now and let's go. Now, as you head upstairs to the second floor in this 4-bedroom terrace, you cannot for anything in the world miss this intriguing, uneven length pendant lighting. It almost feels like candle lights in like a metal vase, no? Absolutely contemporary. I love, for me, one of the best features of this home is the lighting choices. It's absolutely beautiful. So we are now on the second floor. I want to show you the 4th room in this 4-bedroom terrace. This is the master's actually. So you walk into the room itself. I love what they've done with this master's, but let me just show you the bathroom real quick. So you have the bathtub over here, lovely bathtub that has this cutout of the most interesting pebble-like feature. I love this. So this is perfect for all of your shower stuff. And then you have this vanity over here. You have this for the hand towels, of course. And you have this WC, you have the heater, you have the rain shower head. It's a beautiful master bathroom, guys. Okay, now this is the masters itself, featuring length to length windows. So you see that you have beautiful views from this master bedroom. How nice is that? And of course you have the closet space over there. It's a beautiful size, and I love the spot lighting and how this master bedroom has been executed. It's absolutely beautiful. All right, there's one more thing I want to show you, and I think this is one of the most glowing features of this 4-bedroom terrace. I've showed you a lot, I know. It's going to be so hard to pick which one stands out for you the most, but let me just go ahead and show you. Come on. This house also comes with a box room, so all of your internet boxes, all of those electrical appliances, they all go in here, and they're nicely encased. Now you walk in to this lovely balcony view, and then it's just breathless. See what I'm talking about, guys? Absolutely beautiful. And then you actually get views of the beach. This is the cell I was talking about. You get views, beautiful pristine views of the ocean and the skyline to just complement this beautiful, you know, vision that is your home. So it's your home competing or complementing nature at its finest. This is what I'm talking about when I say I bring you the best homes in Lagos. There is nothing else that compares to the quality and the gradients of the homes that we bring you. So what are you waiting for? Punch those numbers. Let's get those numbers punching. I have to say that just very few units left on the market, so it's absolutely essential that you move with the speed of lighting. Call the numbers, hit the notification bells, subscribe. Nobody brings you the best houses, but we do. We do. That's it. Mic drop. Check. Peace.